Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Steam library folder, the location where all your installed games are stored. Whether you're trying to move a game, back it up, or just want to know where Steam keeps your files, this quick guide will help you do it in seconds. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy simple, step-by-step tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Steam and log into your account if you haven't already. It's best to switch to full screen so everything's easier to see. Next, look at the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new window with different categories on the left-hand side. Now, click on the Storage tab from that left sidebar. Here, you'll see all the drives Steam is currently using to install your games. If you have multiple drives or external hard drives connected, you can easily switch between them to view which games are stored on each one. Next to your main installation drive, look for the three dots icon on the right side. Click it and then choose Browse Folder. This will open up your File Explorer directly to the Steam Apps directory, the main folder where your Steam games are installed. Now, just open the Common folder inside that directory. And there you go. This is your Steam library folder. Inside, you'll find all the installed game folders, each named after the game itself. And that's it. You've successfully found your Steam library folder. Super simple, right? Now you can easily manage, move, or back up your games anytime you need. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.